What do you need to start a business online? There are many different ways to start a business in general, whether it is online or offline. It can be a big challenge to figure out what the best route is for you. Here are some steps that you can take to get started. Step 1. Figure out your business idea. This can be a challenging step, but it is important to have a clear idea of what you want to do. Do some research to see if there is a market for your product or service. Step 2. Create a business plan. This will help you to figure out how to make your business a reality. Step 3. Set up your business. You may need to register your business with the government, such as creating an LLC. Step 4. Building and marketing your business. You will need to set up a website and a social media page. You will also need to create a marketing plan and start promoting your business online and offline. Step 5. Start making money. Once your business is up and running, it's time to start making some money. Track your progress and make changes to your business as needed. If you're considering starting a business online, there are a few considerations to take into account. Here's a rundown of some of the most important things you may probably need at some point. Domain name and web hosting. The first thing you'll need is a domain name and web hosting. The domain name is your website's address, and web hosting is the service that stores your website's files and makes them accessible to the public. There are a number of web hosting providers to choose from, so do your research and find one that offers the features and pricing that suits your needs. Website builder. If you're not familiar with coding or website development, you'll need to use a website builder to create your website. Website builders are easy to use tools that allow you to create a website without any coding or design experience. There are a number of different website builders to choose from, so do your research and find one that's right for you. They usually cost around $20 to $30 a month to use and keep your website operating. You can also outsource this to a web designer if you choose to, but it can be quite costly, usually around $500 or more for a custom business website. Online payment processing. In order to process payments online, you'll need to set up an account with an online payment processing service. There are a number of different services to choose from, such as PayPal, Google Pay, Amazon Pay, and others. Most website builder platforms will have easy ways to add payment processing to your website. Marketing and SEO. Once your website is up and running, you'll need to start marketing it to increase traffic and sales. In addition, you'll need to optimize your website for search engines so that your site can rank higher in search results. There are a number of different marketing and SEO tactics to choose from, so do your research and find ones that will work best for your business. You can also outsource this to a marketing service, but again, this can be pretty costly, usually around $100 a month. In summary, there are a few key things you need to start a business online. First, you need a business idea. Then, you need to make sure you have the proper tools and resources to start the business. Finally, you need to market the business.